Hello everyone, this is my activity for the Unit 1 and 2, Task 5, Speaking, Talk, Forum and Interview. Oral Presentation, English Level 2. First, introduce myself. 2. Talk about my 3 experience in Somondoko, Boyacá. 3. The weather in Somondoko, Boyacá. 4. Recommendation if you go to Somondoko, Boyacá. Introduce myself. This is my family. He is my husband. He is my son. And I live with they. I like pass all the time with they and make plans family. I like go to the movies. I like go to the park and play with days. Talk about my trip experience in Somondoko, Boyacá. Last vacation, I went to Somondoko, Boyacá. I start the four dates and went with my husband and my son. We went to visit my grandmother and my sister. I liked it because it was a place surrounded by a lot of nature and very pretty. I liked it just played about 500,000. I liked it because were there a lot of places to visit, for example, the lakes that were full of fish. We went to the central trench and liked it a lot. We will not return because nothing is us to that place. This is a photo of my visit to beautiful place. This is the tips to do in Somondoko. First, I should take the tour of the town. Second, you should enjoy the gastronomy. 3. You should visit the biggest fish hatchery called the lakes. 4. You should visit tourist located. 5. You should go to mosque in the central cathedral. 6. You should admire the birth of a manger made of stone. This is the lake of Somondoko and it is a beautiful place. What do you should not in Somondoko? It is recommendation that people wear coats that protects them from wind, water, and keep their skin dry by the cold. That wear hat and gloves at afternoon. That the people drink hot drinks and wear gloves. This is my presentation. Bye bye.